What's up guys, it's Michael and welcome to Trading Like Magic, and today is September 2, 2021 and we are on Greed. CoinGecko today, I see Bitcoin 4.6% up, Ethereum 6.5% up, Cardano is 4.3% up, XRP is 4.6% up, Dogecoin is 5.6% up, and our top gainers IOTA, FTT, XDC, Altcoin, Bitcoin Cash. Top gainers of the week: Bitcoin Cash, AR, Phantom, Solana, FTT. Top losers of the week: you see Avalanche, Dash, PancakeSwap, Audio, Clay, Zcash. Okay guys, before we go to the chart, if you can like and share my videos, that would be appreciated. It helps the algorithm. Okay guys, this is my top altcoins about to explode this September. This is just based on my opinion and based on what I see on the chart. So one is hot. Right now it's creating a flag right now. Yesterday we were just here. Right now it's already here and there's a resistance here though. So let's see, the price might still go down here and break on this resistance here. Let's see if the price will break on this resistance here. And QTUM, yesterday we were just here yesterday and it's also on the bullish flag. This bullish pattern. So let's draw the Fibonacci. It already bounced at almost 50. Right now it already broke on the trend line here or the top of that flag. So let's see if it will continue to go up. So let's draw the target. This is your flagpole here. So our target would be somewhere here at $19. IOTX, we already reached the golden ratio, which is 0.618. And let's see if the price will still go down here and broke to the upside. AVAX, right now it's creating a triangle here. So let's see if the price will break on this triangle here. But there's a resistance here though. So we already hit the all-time high. Let's see if it will break on this all-time high. This is your flagpole. So our target is somewhere at 80. So this is a bullish pennant guys. So our target would be 80. For now, let's aim first this all-time high. It could go for a double top. If the price break on this resistance here, then our aim would be somewhere at $80. If not, it might bounce back here. And Dash, I see a bullish pennant here too, and the price already reached the 0.618. But there's a resistance here though, that's why the price went down. Let's see if the price might still go down here and pop up to the, our target for now is somewhere here first, 283. Let's see. So there you go guys, that's my top 5 altcoins set to explode. ICP, I'm not sure yet. I'm not sure because it created a triangle here. It went up but it went down again, and it's also creating a ascending channel. So this is a bearish pattern. It's kind of mixed right now, but guys, we have to be careful also on Bitcoin. We are still on this megaphone pattern and there's a resistance here. So we are still on this resistance. The price might, let's see if the price will break on this resistance or go down. So we'll just be careful guys. So everything that I show you, it depends on the performance of Bitcoin because they are correlated to each other. If Bitcoin drops, most of the altcoin will follow. Okay guys, if you find this video valuable, please like and share. That's all I ask. But the patterns are really good. So hot, QTUM, IOTX, AVAX, and Dash. That's my 5 altcoin for September. And take care guys. Bye bye.